Erokamano kuom keto Ramogi TV kaendi ni joot ariyo Rachel Kariuki kod Vincent Omondi manyoro jatend migawo mar Labour Alfred Mutua notudo kod chamo siling milion 18 mar tero jo Kenya tije maoko okwedo weche mitudogigo kendo wacho ni gin en miriambo mamieno kambi Rachel e yo marach. Okil mar Rachel Kariuki mane twak e kinde mar Rachel ne ochopo e log tich mar obila e kaunti ma Nairobi ka okoni onge kaka Vincent Omondi donjore wechego kaluwore ni onge kod lemo moro amora e kambi mar jaode. Bende Rachel oyango kokalo kuom okil mare ni kambi manomiye tich ne en zawadi to ne omiye mana siling milion 9, omenda manoduogo war wiye kendo manodong' godo nonyiew godo tiko 20. Owacho ni koro okete noting'o msalaba mar zawadi.
Yesterday, the CS was the one who claimed that my client obtained money from the youth fund. But today, we have received another summons, which specifically said that there's a claimant. There's someone who's claiming that she's the one who received money from the party. We don't know how much it is. We're yet to go confirm from the police how much the money is. So the parties, I believe they're called Zawadi, who received 70 million from youth fund. We had 367 applicants who sent their money to Zawadi, and they're the ones who are supposed to process their work visas to different countries, which they failed to do so. So my client is the one who's carrying the entire burden. My client received 9 million from Zawadi. She processed 20 tickets. Yesterday, the CS mentioned 2 people, the husband and the wife. But when it comes to business and whatever it takes to run the business, it's the wife who runs the business. The husband totally runs a different business.